In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit the content within a section. So first click on Edit, and then scroll down to the section you would like to edit. So let me go to the second section just for the purpose of this video. So as you can see, as I'm hovering over the different elements, there's a lot of things you can update, and you can also move them around as you wish and reposition the different elements. So just play with it. Of course, when it comes to an image, when you want to edit an image, double click on it, then click on Replace and select the image you would like to use for this specific section. You can also play with the different design elements right there. So in this case, as you can see, there's a little bit of space on the left and on the right because it just fits. But if I change to fill, it will fill out the whole section that I selected. Let me put it back on fill. You can also select different shapes by clicking on shapes. And then let's just try the circle. As you can see, it shows this image as a circle. So I'm going to click out to get out of this section. Move this back down. Of course, you can do the same thing with the second image here. And now you can also edit the text. So to edit the text, simply double click on the text and edit it. Let's just say you want to remove a content piece. Just click on Remove. I'm going to do this for both. And then I'm going to show you how to add back content to this section. So you can see that little add block plus add block section right there. Click on it, and you will have a selection of a lot of different types of blocks and content you can use on a specific section. So let's just say you want to add some text. Click on Text, and then of course it places right there, but you will need to drag it and place it where you would like. You can extend it a little bit where you want the text to be, and here this is where I'm going to write my description. Now let me show you how to add a button. So you have the button option right here, and then I will drag and drop my button where I want to place it, and there I can edit my button. So to change the text, just double click on it, and you can change the text of your button right here, and you can change the link here as well. So either you copy paste a link of your website, or if you want to send it to an external page, you can also use any type of links. Or if you want to link it to a page of your website, you can click on the toggle icon right there, stay on page, search, and you will see all of the pages that are on your website. So let's just put about for now and save. I can also change the design of my button. So right now it's set as a primary button, which is what comes up when you select the button. And then I can click on secondary button or tertiary button. So let's just say I want to keep it that way, but I would like to extend it a little bit because it's a little too small. Here we go. So now you have your text added and your button, and you can do that with a lot of different things. So don't hesitate to play with it. And as soon as you like the look and feel of that specific section, you can save it and reuse it on any other place on your website, any other pages.